personal branding that will help you grow your global entrepreneurial journey. And now, we would like to invite our featured sharer of the night as he shares with us important inputs. Take it away, Kuya Jess.
Realization of mine, life after the workplace presents me with new realities that catch me by surprise. While I hope to spend my golden years living fully and doing more for our loved ones, challenges like health issues and financial concerns can arise. Although yung ating health issues, activated golden ager na po ako. And yung financial problem is the bigger problem. Many of us, including myself, have discovered late that retirement doesn't always bring the peace of mind we anticipated. Instead, it often leads us to reflect on our past and reconsider our future. Okay, so let me share my story. My name is Jas Malyare. I began my career at 22 as a medical representative. In 1977, at 24, I joined FNCB Finance, a financing company. By 30, I joined the Manila Bulletin Publishing Corporation, and by 57, I had climbed to the ladder of Vice President. I retired in 2014 at 58, realizing that the retirement age of 60 wouldn't align with my vision. Before leaving the workplace, I explored various business opportunities from water stations, laundry services, car repairs, and 2 more businesses. But in July of 2013, fate intervened. Hindi ko alam kung kapalaran to, with an irresistible opportunity that made me decide to retire early. 21, I found another chance perfectly aligned with my newfound purpose. And at this time, I asked my wife, and she readily agreed when she knew the company that I am joining is still its pioneering stage in the Philippines. Now at 68 years old, I have found my calling and a great mission to empower others to thrive in wellness and achieve financial success beyond the workplace. Sometime to realize that even I'm already a senior citizen, it's not too late to rebrand myself and still create positive impact in the lives of many, most especially to those in the same age bracket like mine. And what's amazing is to be more able to impact the lives of the younger generation through my experiences and stories. In return, this energetic younger generation gave a huge impact for me not to stop. And that's one valuable lesson I learned in this industry. So I want to be a beacon of hope and encouragement to the soon-to-be retirees and the retired generation in our community can still have a place in this space, and that there's still more than we can do as a big contribution to our society. I want to echo the goal of my brand right now, which is aspire to inspire others to help our senior citizens to bring that message to go out there, take out our space, and continue to bring positive impact in the lives of many people. Because that's what this industry has given us to do. Guys, age is just really a number. It's never too late to learn new things for professional growth. I am active in social media. I do video editing using Power Director, CapCut, and Canva, and many more. I do ask my AI buddy also for my opinion, for some opinions and many others. Watch this space because I and my co-senior citizens are not done yet. We still have a lot to offer and a lot to achieve. To God be the glory. Thank you.
Wow, wow, wow. Thank you so much, Kuya Jess, for that very important and timely message, no? Lalong-lalo na po sa mga golden agers nga natin because we have a lot of people in that bracket who are who wanted to do more and wanted to share more, di ba, sa community natin. And this is one of the safest places and spaces where you can contribute. And we know na malaki pa po at malayo pang mararating ng bawat isa. All right, thank you so much again for your inputs and your sharing for tonight, Kuya Jess. And before we let you